Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can adjust the opacity for images, photos, or elements in general here on Photopea.com as a complete beginner without having any skills in photo editing whatsoever. So with that in mind, drop a like and let us get started. So as you can see, we're on Photopea.com, and for demonstration purposes, I added a photo like that here to my project. So I would like to change the opacity of the photo. To do that, simply select the layer, the given layer you would like to edit and customize here on the right hand side where you see the list of layers. So select that layer, in this case here, background, and above you will see a feature called opacity. So to change the opacity of the given element or layer, simply click on that arrow down icon and adjust the opacity by moving its slider here to the left or to the right. So if I move the opacity or the slider to the left like that and leave it at 20%, the opacity will be pretty strong, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you change or adjust the opacity on Photopea.com. I hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.